outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas with Chelle. Today I'm creating a very glam Christmas stack. I hope you enjoy. I started by picking up 3 MDF squares from my local Spotlight store. These are 30 by 30 centimetres in size. Now what I'm going to do guys is start painting them in my favourite colours. First of all, I've gone for this very beautiful blush pink. Now this is actually a colour match from one of my pieces of home decor that I had matched in store. So a couple of these colours are colour match guys, but I will leave the formula for you down below. I started by giving the first square 2 coats, and I absolutely love this pink colour. Once I was finished, I then let it dry and then moved on to my second square. Now what I'm using here guys is another colour match in this beautiful turquoise colour, and I again gave it 2 coats. I absolutely love this turquoise colour guys, and I have a lot of it painted throughout my home. After I'd done 2 coats, I then left it to dry and then moved on to my final box. What I'm using here guys is just some black Joe Sonia craft paint, and I'm going to use a paintbrush for this one, and again I gave it 2 coats. Again after 2 coats I left everything to dry. Now I wanted to create some lids for my boxes, so I took this balsa wood, which is also from Spotlight, and what I'm going to do is measure it in place guys and cut up 3 pieces. Now I measured these to be 35 centimetres wide, and I cut up 3 for each box. The best thing about this particular very thin wood is that you can cut it with scissors. I then used the first one as a template and cut up the extra 2. I then positioned them all in place, and this is what I want my stack to start looking like. I then took each of those lids and then painted them in the same colours as my boxes. time for the fun part. I then took some dollar store stickers, and on the pink box I'm going to spell out the word Dior. On the black box I printed out this Chanel logo, and I'm going to glue that to the centre. I then also printed out a Tiffany & Co logo, and I'm going to glue that to the centre of my turquoise box. Now I took another piece of that balsa wood, and what I'm going to do, guys, is make a garden stake for this. I then took my scissors and then cut some very rough angles at the end. I lined up to make sure that my stacked box would be in the right position, and I chose not to paint the entire stick here, guys. It's entirely up to you whether you choose to paint the entire stick, but I just painted where it was visible. Now while it was drying, I wanted to add a few more decorative touches to my beautiful boxes. So first of all, I'm going to take some of these eBay foam flowers, and what we're going to do is just create a line underneath the lid of the box, guys, as if flowers are spilling out of it. Now I also wanted to add some extra glam. So what I've done here, guys, is add a decorative bow. Now I picked these up from Spotlight just a few weeks ago, and they're very beautiful glitter bows that I use quite a lot in my DIYs. And I added one to each of the boxes. Now to the centre of each bow, I also added these beautiful glam brooches, which are also from Spotlight. Now I also wanted to put this in something, so I had this dollar store planter, guys, and it's from a previous DIY where I just added some black polka dots around the outside. Now what I'm going to do here is put a lot of floral foam, both the back and the front, and stand my stake in the middle. I then shopped my own home and used my dollar store flowers to create a beautiful bouquet at the bottom. I continued to add flowers around and around until I had a very full effect at both front and back.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
One of my favourite things to do is to create bouquets, guys. It actually is very calming to me.
Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year.
I love taking all different coloured flowers and grouping them together to give a beautiful bouquet. Guys, leave me a comment down below if you're enjoying my Christmas with Chelles series so far. I had so much fun creating this particular DIY for you. I'm so inspired by so many Christmas DIYs at the moment, and I have so many in store for you. This simple and inexpensive project was so easy to make and certainly makes a statement in my glam home. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed another episode of Christmas with Chelle. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.